Replacing your home's windows is a major investment. For Murray homeowners, where hot summers, chilly winters, and occasional storms put stress on your home's exterior, choosing the right windows is only part of the equation. Just as important as the window itself is how it's installed. Even the highest quality, energy-efficient window will underperform if it's not fitted properly. That's why professional installation is the key to a successful window replacement in Murray. Precision fit for maximum efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of professional installation is precision. Windows that are even slightly misaligned can create gaps that allow drafts, moisture, and outdoor noise into your home. Certified installers take detailed measurements and ensure each window is placed and sealed correctly. This not only improves your home's comfort but also helps you get the full energy-saving benefits from features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. Protection against Murray's climate. Murray experiences a wide range of weather, from hot, sunny summers to freezing, snowy winters. Poorly installed windows may allow water intrusion during storms or lose heat when temperatures drop. Over time, this can cause damage to walls, frames, and insulation. Professional installers know how to handle the unique demands of Utah's climate. They use weather-resistant sealants and proper insulation techniques to ensure your new windows protect your home year-round. Long-term durability. Window replacement is not something homeowners want to repeat often. A do-it-yourself job or rushed installation can lead to premature wear, cracked seals, or warping. These problems not only compromise efficiency but can also shorten the lifespan of your investment. With professional installation, your windows are set up to last. Installers follow manufacturer guidelines closely, ensuring you get the full durability and performance the product was designed to deliver. Safety and structural integrity. Replacing windows often involves working with heavy glass, power tools, and removal of old materials. Without the right experience, this can create safety hazards or even damage your home's structure. Professional installers have the tools, training, and safety protocols to handle every part of the job efficiently. They also know how to reinforce frames and openings so that your new windows don't just look great but also strengthen the integrity of your home. Warranty protection. Most window manufacturers provide warranties that cover defects or performance issues. However, these warranties often require professional installation. A DIY job or an unqualified contractor may void your coverage, leaving you responsible for repairs or replacements if something goes wrong. By choosing professional installation in Murray, you protect your warranty and gain additional peace of mind. Many companies even offer their own installation guarantees on top of the manufacturer's warranty. Expert recommendations and guidance. Window replacement isn't just about installing glass, it's also about making the right choices for your home. Professional installers can guide you through options like frame materials, glass types, and design styles that best fit Murray's climate and your household's needs. They'll also explain maintenance requirements and demonstrate how to properly operate and care for your new windows. This added expertise ensures you get the most value from your investment. Boosting home value. For homeowners thinking long-term, professional installation also adds resale value. Buyers in Murray look for homes that are well-maintained, energy-efficient, and secure. Professionally installed windows enhance curb appeal and give buyers confidence that your home has been properly cared for. Final thoughts. When it comes to window replacement in Murray, professional installation is not just an extra, it's essential. From ensuring a perfect fit and protecting against Utah's weather to preserving warranties and boosting home value, expert installation makes all the difference. By trusting professionals, you'll enjoy windows that perform as they should, keeping your home comfortable, energy efficient, and beautiful for years to come.